Hi everyone, it's just Anika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be going to a Christmas light switch on with fireworks. So that is like fun and fresh and yeet. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing today. No, not today, in this vlog, but tomorrow. It is from 6 to 8, so I've got 2 hours to vlog. Obviously this video is not going to be 2 hours, it'll be like 7 minutes or something. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. And then, yeah, that's what I'm doing tomorrow. But the reason that I haven't been uploading for like literally like years, well it feels like years. Oh, hi tripod. The reason that I haven't been uploading for like ages is because my phone broke, and then my new phone, it won't let me upload, and then this phone does. So this is my first vlog on this phone. Oh god. Right, I'm holding my selfie stick. It's like really annoying me. Like look. You can't see it. Anyway, but yeah, it is now like, what time is it? Okay. Anyway, so it's 5 minutes to Alma Lab, so I'm gonna go watch that. So excited that it's still started. That it's restarted. Oh, best thing in the world. So I'm gonna put my glasses on and go watch that, and maybe do a face mask. Not sure, but yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top from Primark, and it just says live colourfully. And then I've just got these grey leggings, and they've got this like weird thing on them, but I don't know what that is. But anyway, I'm wearing them, so that's fun. No. I love it how I move you. You love it how I talk. I was never a believer, but you could fall in love at the first. For us, man.
Nearly there, nearly there. Here we go. Oh, come on, oh, Ava. Here's your present, Ava.
Oh, that.
Here you go. Is that I can't hear you. Is that a yes? Fabulous. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn it on, Ava. Here we go.
chips out there?
2020.
Pound chips, so then we're going to get your chips. Yeah. We're getting your chips and then we can go home. It's all he's wanted the whole time we've come to.
That was one of the weirdest things I've ever seen.